Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off safe chat in Roblox. It's actually really easy and simple. When you're in your Roblox homepage, I want you to come here, top right, see this gear icon? Click on this and then you want to click on settings. And then you're going to see your different options for settings on your account. What you want to do is click on privacy, okay? Now here, mine account restrictions are disabled, but usually what happens is your parent will set some account restrictions for you. So to change these restrictions, you may need that PIN number from your parents. So you can just get that. And now for communication, now no one can communicate with us, so we can change this and set it back to default. And who can message me? Okay, look, it just changed from no one to friends. And then who can text with me in app from no one to friends, and who can text chat with me in Roblox to everyone. So you want to keep this as default. And if you find that maybe it's no one like this or no one here and no one here, you can just change this manually. If this is in custom communication, it's off, you see? You just change that and you're good to go. And usually what if you want to do this, you can come here, just another measure is come here in parental controls. For your allowed experiences, you can choose things suitable for all ages that are 17 and older. You can do this. This will remove a lot of other restrictions from you. So I will need to put in PIN number, and I haven't put an email on this account yet. So, but usually you need a parent's PIN to do this. So you can get that from your parents. And that's easy. If you want, you can also just disable it here. But you need to provide your PIN number, guys. It's really that easy and simple to turn off Roblox safe chat. Really. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because we're going to have a lot more Roblox videos coming up.